Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today we're comparing two popular Linux distros, Linux Mint versus Arch Linux. Which one is actually better for you? Linux Mint is all about ease of use. It's a beginner-friendly, full-featured desktop with a familiar interface. Arch Linux, however, is minimalistic, giving you complete control over your system from the ground up. It's not for the faint of heart. Choose Linux Mint if you're new to Linux or just want a hassle-free desktop. You like stability and out-of-the-box functionality, and you want an OS that just works without much tinkering. Choose Arch Linux if you're comfortable with the command line and want full control, and you like learning as you go and prefer a rolling release. You're also willing to invest time to set up your system. Mint is beginner-friendly but can feel a bit boxed in for advanced users. Arch gives you ultimate control, but the installation and maintenance are not for the faint of heart. A single wrong update can break your system. So which is better? If you want an easy, stable desktop with less maintenance, go with Linux Mint. If you want a more customizable experience and don't mind putting in the work, go with Arch Linux. At the end of the day, it depends on how much time you're willing to invest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. This is How to Literally.